Namaskar to everyone. Today I will be talking about morning sickness, why happens, till which time of pregnancy does morning sickness remains, and also I will be dealing with natural remedies to cure this morning sickness. So let's begin our video. Before beginning our video, I will request you to watch my video till the end without skipping so that you have the full knowledge of this topic. Apart from that, if you like my topic, like my efforts, please do subscribe to my channel Mom's Guidebook and hit the bell icon. Recommend it to your family and friends. So let's begin our video. What is morning sickness? The sickness that happens in the morning in the early phase of pregnancy, in which the pregnant lady will feel drowsiness, fatigue, have nausea and vomiting. These are the basic symptoms of morning sickness. Now let's talk about till which period this morning sickness remains in the pregnancy. About 4 months of the pregnancy, this morning sickness remains. The symptoms may vary, the degree may vary. Some may experience worsen early morning symptoms that they won't be able to eat food even for a week, and they will be loss of weight in the body. Apart from that, there will be decrease in the appetite of the woman, which would be a dangerous symptom. If you persist with this morning sickness that you are unable to eat, then I will request you to watch it for first few weeks and then go to your gynae and tell your problem. She will be giving you the exact pill which is required to control your morning sickness. Apart from that, some symptoms or reasons that may have worsened this morning sickness. The first reason may be maybe you are having a dual or triplet in your womb. Secondly, there may be excess of traveling. If you are working and you are continuously traveling during the pregnancy, then this morning sickness will be worsened. Then the third is excessive fatigue. If you are having excessive fatigue, you are unable to cope up with this morning sickness. You need required rest. Sometimes excessive stress and pressure can also result in morning sickness. Now let's talk about the natural remedies that you can seek for controlling your morning sickness. The first one is the ginger. That is a natural remedy for your nausea and vomiting. You can take 1 spoon of its juice, or you can put some crushed pieces of ginger in the water, boil it and add some. If you want some sugar, you can add the honey, mix it, stir it and have it. It will decrease your tendency of nausea. The next one is the mint. The green minty leaves are really helpful and handy leaves if you can chew it. Otherwise, its smell is sufficient to decrease your vomiting tendency. The next one is lemon. Lemon juice is very good. You can make lemonade of it, but avoid adding any soda to it. Make it a natural one, just adding water, lemon, salt and sugar. Just mix it and stir it and have it. Avoid having anything that can cause gas to you, which can enhance your morning sickness. Next is you can have a coconut water. It's very good, full with nutrients and healthy for your baby and yourself. Apart from that, you can add 1 spoon of lemon in the coconut water. That will also make your day great. Next remedy which I will be telling you is trusted by the Ayurvedic practitioner. That is adding rose water to the milk, about 1 glass of milk. Boil it. When it gets a little cooler, have it. Next is have a distraction when you are having intense feeling of nausea. Either relax yourself, do some yoga, or you can listen some musics. You can listen to some spiritual musics which will be good for you and your baby. Apart from that, if you are working, please take enough rest. But you have to take care that after eating the food, you cannot directly go and sleep. You have to wait at least half an hour to let the food go inside your stomach. Next is have plenty of water. The more you have the water, the best you can have nourishment for you and your baby. But you have to keep in mind that the water should not be drunk during the meal. It should be drunk before half an hour or after the half an hour. It should not be done in between. Next is eat small portion of food. You should not have a heavy lunch or heavy dinner. Your food portion should be small and at an interval of 2 hours. You need to have something in every 2 hours. If you do it, your morning sickness symptoms, trust me, would reduce to a great deal. Next is track your food. See which food gives you discomfort. Sometimes it happens that you have Indian tadka, dal, and its aroma is not suiting you. Then you will start vomiting just by smelling it. So you should avoid all these. But many people are there in the society, they will say, no, I have eaten everything in the pregnancy, you can't eat it. So say, yes, I can't eat it. I am having morning sickness. I am allergic to this at this point of time, so I won't eat it. So this is all I had in the topic morning sickness. If you have any related query, you are welcome to comment on this video and I will respond to your query. Apart from that, if you have any topic you have in your mind related to pregnancy, then please do write. If you like my video, found it informational, then please do subscribe to my channel Mom's Guidebook and hit the bell icon.